Sony A7IV talk has already said. Thanks to old Sony alpha rumors. I was talking about, okay, but does it have a flip out screen? Just kind of joking. In Bilmo, not calling Bilmo out or anything, but there was a comment about someone only gives it to video centric cameras, the flippy out screen. He's talking about A7IV. It's going to be a hybrid like the predecessor. Again, what is this thing that only video people need a flippy out? I, as a still photo guy, want to use a flippy out. That is not a video-centric thing. When those Canons in the day had flippy outs, they were mainly, as I've been yelled at on the internet a lot, mainly stills cameras. The flippy out thing is great when you have these weird, crazy angles. When we get visual aid, flippy outs, like the old, what was this, 650D to T4i. When dealing with the youngins chasing the use, flippy outs come in great handy for that kind of thing. Honestly, if I'm not doing crazy wild angles, just that whole rotating, tilting thing, it can be dealt with. Who wants that? Nobody wants that. We want flippies. Anytime I hear anybody talk about it, just assume you're going to use the camera to just point at yourself like this. That's not. It's more than one use. Flippy out's not a video-centric feature. I do believe it's probably going to be more of a paper launch, even if it drops in 2021. It's going to be highly sought after. Don't expect to touch one until next year, so we shall see how that goes. One more final thing to check in on here, just a shout out. Tamron 35 to 150mm for full frame is on the way with a variable aperture, which generally drives me crazy, but when it's only 2.0 to 2.8, thinking I can live with that. More info is going to be out on that, so keep an eye on Sony Alpha Rumors or break that down. I will talk about it at some point after I hear other people talk about it, because I don't have a sample review copy coming this way. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and maybe we can get that sorted out. Got a video coming up about the Camlink next week. We'll check back in with everybody. Then hit me up over on Yeager_shots at the Instagrams, YeagerShots over on Twitter. You already know to like, subscribe right here. It's been fun hanging out for a few minutes.